In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit Google Forms responses. Let's dive straight into the process of ensuring your Google form collects only a specific number of responses, which can be incredibly useful for event signups, surveys with limited spots, or any scenario where controlling the amount of feedback is crucial. First up, let's get you into your Google Forms. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to the official Google Forms website. If you're not already signed in, you're going to be prompted to enter your email address followed by your password. Go ahead and complete those steps to access your Google Forms dashboard. Once you're in, you'll need to navigate to the specific form you wish to edit. If you've got quite a few forms, be sure to pick the right one because the next steps are crucial to limiting your form responses. Now, look for the settings option. You'll find it at the top of your form editor. Clicking on this will take you to a broader settings menu where you can control various parameters of your form. Within the settings menu, your next point of focus should be the Responses tab. This is where you can manage how your form collects and manages the incoming data. Go ahead and click on that. The final step in this process is to enable the Limit to One Response option. You'll notice a toggle switch next to this setting. Simply click on it and voila. Your form will now restrict each user to a single submission. This feature works by requiring users to sign into their Google account, thus preventing multiple submissions from the same account. And that's really all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully limited your form to one response per person. This is a fantastic feature for maintaining the integrity of your data collection and ensuring fairness throughout the response collection process. A quick tip before we wrap up: always double check this setting before distributing your form, especially if the information you're collecting is sensitive or needs to be equitable in terms of participant access. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to limit responses in Google Forms. Whether you're planning an event, conducting a survey, or managing signups for a limited offering, you now have the knowledge to ensure your form operates within your desired constraints.